Hi everyone, it's Dave at Outdoor Home, and I'm here to talk to some new eggheads about a question I get asked an awful lot. How do you get this thing lit? Well, first let me just say congratulations on your purchase. I'm super excited for you. You're going to be grilling, roasting, smoking, and baking. In no time we'll have you cooking like a pro. It's super simple. The first thing you're going to want to do, we'll open this up, give it maximum airflow as we open up the patented draft door. Going to use our grid grippers here. You probably already got these. If not, you're going to want to get a pair because it makes it super easy to reach in there and grab that cooking grid. If you're lighting your egg for the first time, you're going to want to fill it with the Big Green Egg charcoal to the top of the firebox. If you've already cooked, you're going to notice that as you snuffed out those coals from the night before, there's still plenty of charcoal left in there to cook again. So what we'll do is we'll take our ash tool, we'll give that charcoal a stir. The ashes are going to fall to the bottom. Don't feel pressure to keep this thing squeaky clean. I'm a little lazy at times and I might let it go 4, 5, 10 times before I actually have to clean the bottom, depending on how much coal I'm burning through. But I would like to tell you, if you have cooked before, give it a stir, knock those ashes loose, and always fill that back up to the top of the firebox. I'm going to get my starter stick, all natural, very affordable. Make a little divot in the center of my charcoal, place the starter stick in there, give it a light. Once it's lit, I might rake a few pieces of charcoal over that starter stick. Super simple. Notice my hands aren't dirty. I'm wearing slacks, still clean as a whistle. And now what I like to do at this point, I'll shut my lid, take off my dual functioning metal top. My wife says I'm easily distracted, so I personally like to set a timer, 7 to 10 minutes, and I shut the lid because I figure as that fire is burning and spreading, the coals are igniting, I'm also preheating my grill. So after that 10-minute timer goes off, I'll come back outside. And at this point, one thing I want to encourage you to do is remember that it's easier to get the temperature hotter than it is colder. If you want to go for low and slow at 250, the last thing I want you to do is heat your egg up to 600, 700 degrees. So we'll start choking down that fire a little bit and restricting airflow on the way up. Put my dual functioning metal top back on, and how we're going to regulate that is once this closes, we're going to control the airflow coming out. More importantly, we're going to control the airflow going in. For me personally, I know if I'm shooting for 350 degrees, it's about 3-finger width on the bottom. My daisy wheel is closed with the vents completely open. People will ask me, well Dave, how long does it take to get your egg hot enough to get cooking? For me, that's about 1 to 2 beers, depending how thirsty I am. So if it takes you longer, that's not necessarily a bad thing. If you have any questions, we'd love to have you out at Outdoor Home. So come on down, let our experts help you. We'd love to recommend our favorite sauces, seasonings, smoking woods techniques, show you some pictures on our phone of the great meals we've been cooking. So come out and see us, ask for me. I'd love to say hi if I'm here, and who knows, I might even see you at a cooking class someday. 882 West Tracker Road, Outdoor Home, where outdoor living is always in.